Hi, so I'm recording the lines for Ashley. If there are too many background noises, it's okay, I'll record again. So let's start. My name is Ashley. My name is Ashley. I am the sister of Cheryl. I am the sister of Cheryl. My name is Ashley. I am the sister of Cheryl. I am sorry, but yes. 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 No, we aren't rejecting you. 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 No, stop. No, stop. No, stop. I hope this was loud enough and enough screaming. Tux, wait. Tux, wait. Tux, wait. And Tux for best friend. And Tux for best friend. And Tux for best friend. No, only Cheryl hates you. No, only Cheryl hates you. No, only Cheryl hates you. But she hates you. But she hates you. Toxic. I'll go say to the other that you aren't useless. Toxic. I'll go say to the other that you aren't useless. Toxic. I'll go say to the other that you aren't useless. Really, let's go. Really, let's go. Really, let's go. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Tox! Stop! Tox! Stop! Tox! Stop! No, we can't. No, we can't. No, we can't. No, we can't. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? So yeah, I hope this was good, and just say me what I should record again, or then I'll try without or nearly without background noise. I don't know if you heard many of them. Yeah, bye.